declined. The AI researcher Ben Goertzel analyzes dozens of AGI definitions in a comprehensive paper from 2014, and the discussion about AGI has only intensified since then. In this book, I take AGI to mean software that can do a wide variety of things and solve a wide variety of problems and is significantly more capable than the AI systems we have today. We can contrast this with narrow AI, which refers to systems that do only one thing or a few closely related things. All, or almost all, existing AI systems are rather narrow in scope. Another term for which we have no single, generally agreed-on definition is artificial intelligence. A surprising number of sometimes contradictory definitions have been proposed since the term was first used in the 1960s, partly reflecting the great variety of computational approaches that have been pursued under the heading of artificial intelligence. Some of these definitions emphasize the modeling of biological or human intelligence. Others connect to notions of intelligence from psychology, yet others focus on specific computational concepts such as symbols or functions, and others still are concerned with what types of tasks an AI system could solve. In this book, I use the term artificial intelligence to mean two different things. The first is the quest to make machines do things that humans currently do better, specifically things that seem to require thought when humans do them. In practice, machines means digital computers, at least for now. The second meaning of AI is a set of algorithms, software, and insights that have been developed by researchers and programmers focusing on solving problems that seem to require intelligence. While this book is about AI as a quest to build intelligence in machines, I will often discuss individual AI technologies that have been developed. An expression you will not find in this book, and should not see from any knowledgeable writer on the topic, is an AI. No such thing exists in the world today, only various pieces of software and hardware that have been developed to try to achieve various capabilities. To avoid confusion, I will instead talk about AI systems, AI tools, and AI algorithms when I talk about the outcomes of AI research. It is important to remember that the various things we label AI are often quite different from each other, and a program that plays chess has little in common with a program that generates lifelike images. The topic of the book is AGI, and given that there are no AGIs in the world yet, or more specifically, the most general AI systems are not yet very general, one might wonder where to start. The obvious place is history, not the history of AI in general, but the history of superhuman AI. The next chapter therefore digs into the 6-decade history of AI to describe several examples of AI systems that do things better than humans do. The main point of the chapter is that superhuman capabilities in some problem domain, while impressive and often useful, are not necessarily a step toward general intelligence. Along the way, I will try to convey something of the rather diverse technical methods that underpin the various AI systems. We are talking about artificial intelligence, but we have not yet clarified what we mean by intelligence. Chapter 3 is about intelligence of the non-artificial kind. Intelligence has been studied by philosophers, psychologists, and ethologists, those who study animal behavior, among others. We will examine a couple of key concepts in the study of intelligence in humans and animals and how they relate to artificial general intelligence. This includes the key distinction between fluid and crystallized intelligence, which we can use to understand the differences between different AI methods. It also includes the G-factor, which is meant to be a measure of general intelligence in humans. But we can draw on relevant theory from within AI research as well. Chapter 4 examines attempts to define AGI by the AI community. It also discusses some mathematical arguments for and against the possibility of AGI. These include the counterintuitive no free lunch theorems, which seem to say that general intelligence is impossible, but also the concept of universal intelligence, which attempts to overcome this theoretical limitation. All these theories about intelligence and artificial intelligence can feel quite abstract. They don't